Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have the Cuisinart 4-slice classic metal toaster. In case you are giving this as a gift, let's take a look at the box. All right, let's open it up. We have the actual product box inside, so we're gonna open that as well. Cuisinart really wants to get your toaster here safely and secured. All right, another 360. I love how all the specs are on every side, no matter where you look. This also comes in 4 different colors. We have our instructions here. We chose stainless steel. All right, let's take a look at this. Sorry, those grippers are loud, but I like that safety feature. So again, we have the stainless steel design all the way around. We have the grips to the table. We have our 1 through 6 darkness level for your toast or bagel or whatever you might put in here, including waffles. We have our bagel settings, our defrost, our reheat, and our cancel. We have 2 separate decompressor buttons so that you or your partner can have 2 different shades on whatever you may be toasting. And same thing over here. Again, another bagel, defrost, reheat, and cancel button here, along with the 6 different settings of shades that you might like your toast. We have LED lights indicating which side you are currently using. And if you flip it over, let's take a look at our 1.5-inch wide slots that can fit anything from thick to thin bread inside. This also comes with 2 separate crumb trays. Let me show you guys here. Pull it out. Very easy to do. Take it out, clean it, wash it, and dry it. Let me show you guys the separate one. Same over here as well. All right, turn it back around. There's nothing left to do but to do our toast test. On one side we have the bagel, on the other side we have the bread, and they're both set to medium. Now let's do a bagel on the Cuisinart. Push the depressor button, bagel, boom. As you can see, it gives you the indicator light so you know exactly what function it's on. Also very good, doesn't have the same like indicator lines as everybody else, but still a very nice, light and airy crunch. Make sure you add it to your cart.